front moved through the area today. That's what sparked off the showers and storms. And as I mentioned, really throughout the week, it would move south somewhere down into Georgia and kind of park itself probably around the Atlanta area tonight into at least the first part of the day tomorrow. So what that means is our rain chances are basically over with for the night. Cooler and drier air will start to filter in. It's a very pleasant 63 now in Oneida. 64 for Jamestown and Crossville, 65 degrees in Middlesboro, and even 74 in Knoxville. Our average low is about 69. This time of year in Knoxville, we will end up below that, but I still think some areas on the plateau will dip into the 50s. Now we still have a little bit of moisture. Again, that drier air is kind of taking its time moving in, but it'll get here later tonight. So that's why we still have a little bit of a sticky to tropical feel along and south of 40. But watch by daybreak tomorrow. Put this into motion for you. You can just see that moisture moving south. And when you've got green, blue, mid-July, right in the middle of the morning hours, yeah, that's going to be pretty comfortable. That's why I'm pretty confident we will see a few 50s in spots across the plateau. About 59 in Oneida, 61 in Middlesboro, 61 in Jonesville. We're about 67 here in Knoxville. But it won't last long. That front that's to the south won't stay there long. It's actually going to slowly lift northward as we go through the day here on this Friday. So it's a quiet start, but by midday, don't be surprised if we already have a few storms trying to pop up over the Smokies, and then those will continue to push northward as we head into mid-afternoon. So this is 3 o'clock. I think the majority of the daylight hours are going to be dry up into southeast Kentucky, at least through rush hour. Shortly thereafter, though, some storms will try to blossom. This is 6 o'clock, so it could be a little soggy for some in and around the Knoxville areas who are trying to head home from work. But watch as we get closer to 11 o'clock tomorrow night. Yeah, that's when some shower and storm chances move northward across the Kentucky area. And by Saturday, with this boundary kind of stuck in the area, once again, locally heavy downpours could cause some flooding in spots. This is 7 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. Scattered shower chances linger through lunchtime, right into the afternoon and evening as well. So again, you can see it's not a total washout, but there will be opportunities for rain throughout the day. A little more likely afternoon, evening varieties over the next couple of days, and then that trend is going to continue really as we head into the weekend. Now, One Knox is going to be hosting Chattanooga Red Wolves. That's a 7 o'clock kickoff. A few storms are possible around the area. If it's raining, that's fine. We can play through that. We just don't want the lightning. So that's something we'll be watching. Kickoff temps are right around 80 degrees, dropping into the upper 70s by the time the game is over. All right, 7-day forecast again tomorrow or later today. Better chance of rain is going to be south of that I-40 corridor and a little later in the day. But shower and storm chances will increase as we head into the weekend, both days, Saturday and Sunday. We're talking mid-80s for highs, upper 60s for lows. That's actually at or below seasonal averages for this time of year, and it's certainly better than the mid to upper 90s we had about a week ago across the area.
That is for sure.